You see?
It's rubbery.
It's gone all rubbery. Oh, you broke it.
DnD Labs. Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today we're going to do bouncing eggs.
Yeah, let's show them what they need.
All we need, you can use 6 eggs or 4 eggs if you want.
Yeah, you can do as many as you want. So yeah, some eggs.
And one of these pouring cups.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be a pouring cup. We just need some containers that can hold liquid.
Yep. And some fruit colouring.
Food colouring, and what we've got a big pot here.
White vinegar!
White vinegar, that's right. And also, we've got a spoon for mixing as well.
And then a really weird egg in this box.
There is a weird egg in it, yeah. So, let's show them what to do. So, first we're going to fill up our containers with some white vinegar.
I'm just going to open this ready.
Okay, you can open that ready. I'll do this because this is heavy. So you want to fill it halfway, just enough to fully cover the eggs. Once you fill up the containers with the white vinegar, you can just check it. You just want to make sure it's enough that your egg can sit fully submerged in the liquid, in the white vinegar. And then we're going to get our food colouring. I'll squeeze them in, you give them all a mix, yeah? There you go.
Where's the spoon?
Spoon's here.
Yeah.
You give that a mix, and I'll do the next one. So we've got a yellow, we've got a blue, we've got a green.
Mix this one now. Ooh, I wouldn't.
I might need some more yellow than that, that looks a bit.
Green.
And we've got red.
Okay, mix this up.
That's it, and once they're all mixed, you can take an egg, and you want to put one egg in each container.
I'm going to put one in here.
That's it, gentle, you don't want to drop it because it will splash up. That's it, good job.
It's fizzing.
I'll get one.
Oh my god, I'll get another one.
I have to tip this because I don't want it to crack as it goes in. There you go. You're getting the weird one.
Yeah. The weird one goes in a very dark blue.
So we've got 4 eggs, 4 different colours. Now, you're going to need to leave it for 24 hours.
So we can have some break, like.
Yeah, we can have a break. So you're going to need to leave it for a full day, and we're going to come back and we're going to see the results. Right guys, welcome back. It's been 24 hours now, and we're going to pour these out and we're going to see the results. So we've got...
a fizzer.
We're going to have a bowl, and we've got a strainer, or you can use a sieve. And we're going to pour these out and separate the liquids from the eggs. I'm just going to leave the egg in there. And then we can get the egg out and we can see what's happened. Yeah?
No.
Look.
Wait,
You see?
it's rubbery.
It's gone all rubbery.
Boing.
Bouncy rubber egg.
Boing. Yes. I think it's really good. Let's see the green one.
Should we do the green one?
Yeah, it's going to be really good. And it's separated. Boing.
Feels weird, doesn't it? It feels all rubbery. Let's have a look. Now, what's happened is that the vinegar has dissolved the shell and it's just left the inside. The bouncy rubbery inside. Oh, you broke it. Alright, it's alright, we'll clean that up. Right, we're an egg down already. So as you can see, they're not like hard rubber balls. You can't drop it or throw it at the table. But they've still got a rubbery feel. They're a little bit bouncy. So let's do the next one.
Really?
There you go, look. Oh, I've just popped it. Oh, we lost another one.
Oh. Daddy.
It's alright, these things happen.
That was my favourite colour.
It's a science experiment. Sometimes it goes wrong.
I'm going to try to get the shell.
Right.
The shell's
Let's try one last one. Let's see if we can keep 2. We've got 1 each. There you go, we've got another one. We've got 1 each.
Ugh. Ugh. Really rubbery. Don't pop that one. It's really rubbery.
Got a little bit of bounce.
Mine's got a bigger bounce. It bounces back up. One bounces back up. Right.
There you have it, guys. Bouncy rubber eggs. Was that good?
Yeah.
Do you think everyone at home should try it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just before we go, we want to give a very special shout out, don't we? Who do you want to give a shout out to?
Auntie Louise.
That's right. What has Auntie Louise given us?
A very special microscope.
Auntie Louise has gifted us a very special microscope. This one's special because it's
Real.
it's real, yeah. But it's also it's very old. So this on the box, it's got 1977 on it, which means it's 47 years old.
47 years.
47 years old. So we're going to put this. We're going to have this on our display, but in the future we might do some videos with it. So you got to make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos, which may feature this very cool microscope. And a very special thank you to everyone who has watched our videos and who's already subscribing. Thank you so much. And we're going to say goodbye.
Bye guys, thanks for watching our video. I hope you like and subscribe.
That's right. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.